Plus all the working girls who saw
Hey.
Cassie pick this guy up. What about the lads? Princeton magazine tore up Anna Tina.
What are y'all doing?
Autopsy on the way to the ME to check.
Yeah,
Okay, Cassie Horner worked
it's
nights
me.
and weekends. Pay her colleagues a visit. Call Ann Gorson. Obsession.
Hey, got the sniffles. Oh, my mouth. Oh, eh.
Some coffee after hard night's work.
Alright. Alright, see you later. I guess I'll see y'all later.